Okay. I am now generally record videos and put in YouTube, right? Normally I do in my computer. There is a screen recorder. Here I am using in mobile screen recorder and trying to record. Okay. I may not be able to do in one part, one full video. I have to put it in two parts maybe because that software doesn't allow me to record long hours. I can record through Zoom itself. Zoom has an option, but I'm not properly using it. Okay, one more 2 by 3 will do, and then we'll go for 3 by 3. Okay. When is the next exam? Okay, somebody may ask. Okay, I don't want to tell anything before even talking to administration and all that. But there is a good chance that you may not have coming Sunday. That next Sunday you may have. Okay. But whether exam is there or not, what you have to do is just prepare regularly whatever is going on every day and do the homework. Coming Sunday not there most probably, I am saying. Yes sir, coming Sunday means coming Sunday. Why you are asking again? Okay. So today we are in I think Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next Sunday comes, right? That Sunday most probably may not be there, I am saying. Okay. Usually we give current topic, and again new students, if they are not able to follow, they can skip it. Okay. Depends on, for example, maths and determinants, if I extend it, then I will be giving. If I stop maths and determinants, start a new topic, I may not give, or I may give only some part of maths and determinants. It all depends. Okay. One thing, don't ask about any time exam. We will tell you at least 4 days before when exam is there. Okay, at least a week before if possible, at least 3-4 days before we will tell you, and we will tell you the syllabus. But what you have to do is, whatever is teaching on that day, revise it, and that day's homework you do, and be happy. If you have time, revise the previous topic, that is what happened in the previous classes. That's it. Don't prepare for the exam, just learn the subject and do everyday homework. That is only preparation. Okay? We may keep a surprise that tomorrow suddenly I will not take class today, and during this 1 hour write exam. You should be prepared. Okay, what is the rank of this? 2. Because 2 by, you can take any 2 by 2, not a problem. 1 by 5, 4, 3, 3 minus 20 minus 17, which is not equal to 0. Yes. Then let us go for 3 by 3. Okay, let me ask, maybe I asked this earlier. In a 3 by 3 matrix, how many 2 by 2 submatrices will be there? Yes. If you use first 2 rows, only first 2 rows, forget about third row. How many 2 by 2s will come? 3. You can use these two, that is this part, this, this. Total 3 got, right? Okay. If I use these two rows, second and third row, how many 2 by 2 matrices will come? 3. If I use first and third row, how many 2 by 2s will come? Again, another 3. ABGH, BCHI, ACGA, right? In fact, when you are finding cofactors, they are actually all the 2 by 2 matrices. Am I correct? Yeah. So total you will get 9. Yes, you are right. Okay, you will get 9 2 by 2 determinants. Okay, 13th one. What is the answer? Yeah. Not only 3 by 3 that is 0, every 2 by 2 that is 0 here. Okay. 3 by 3 debts are also 0. 2 by 2 debts are also 0. Okay. So 1 by 1 non-zero. Okay, if you take any one of them, for example, 2 or 7 or something is equal to 7 not 0. But if you take this 2 by 2 that is 0, this 2 by 2 that is 0, this 2 by 2 that is 0, this 2 by 2 that is 0. Other partials, what do you think for 14th one? What is the answer? Why? Yeah. Diagonal matrix. What is the determinant of this? Okay. You are other partial, right? Okay. You have to turn on your video. Please turn on your videos. And if I ask somebody, please, as far as possible, they should answer or they should not answer. Okay. Unless you want to change your name. Sometimes when I ask a girl, also some boys are answering. Okay. 5 into 7 into 4, that is a determinant of a diagonal matrix. Okay. So 3 by 3 det is equal to 5 into 7 into 4, which is 140, which is not 0. So rank is equal to 3. Okay. What about 15th one? Who said 2? Okay. Okay. What is your name? Kirti, Sai Kirti. Okay. Yeah. This 2 by 2 that is 0, this is 0, this is, you can see 4 2 by 2 debts clearly. This. They may be 0, but what about other? You can take this, you can take this also, right? If you take this one, that is not 0. Okay, so 3 by 3 det equal to 0. It is easy to say most of the 2 by 2 debts are 0, but 1007, that 2 by 2 det is 7, which is not 0. So because of that, rank is 2. Okay, so rank is not 1, rank is 2. Is it okay, everyone? So quickly, can you tell what are the ranks of all these? What? 3 by, yes. Here 3 by 3 that is 0. Every 2 by 2 that is also 0. But there is 1 by 1 that who is non-zero. So rank is 1. Here null matrix, so obviously rank is 0. Here the 3 by 3 that itself is non-zero, so rank is 3. Here 3 by 3 is 0, every 2 by 2 is 0, but 1 by 1 is not 0, so rank is 4. What is the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix? Two rows are same, so 0, right? You take any 2 by 2, you will get 1 minus 1, 0, right? So 3 by 3 that is 0, every 2 by 2 also that is 0, but 1 by 1 if you take that is non-zero, that's the rank. Okay? Okay, what do you think is the determinant of this 3 by 4 matrix? Yeah, yes, because this 3 by 3 that itself is 1 into 7 into 3, right? So rank is equal to 3 because 1, 2, 3, 0, 7, 9, 0, 0, 3, that is equal to 1 into 7 into 3, which is not 0 because of the rank. Okay, I'll stop here. Thank you very much. Time is up, right? Sir came, chemistry sir came. Okay, then, okay, somebody see if sir test. Okay, I can just carry on one more question if you want. Yes, please. Yeah, exercise 3H, I'll give some questions. And not only that, I want you everybody to complete exercise 3G. Okay. Exercise 3 is all about rank and you can do in few minutes. No, they'll give matrices and they'll ask rank. Yes, please. That I'll tell you what are the numbers. I'll put a message in the group. I have to see the textbook. Okay. Yeah. If somebody want to complete full 3H, I will be very happy. If not, I'll give you 4 numbers from this. Okay. Mains material, I am not giving anything. There is nothing connected to mains material so much about this. Okay. Yes. 3F, 3E, yes, 3F, not G. Okay. It is not except 3G. Sorry. 3F is about rank. Alright. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, we'll stop it anyway. Sir will join in few minutes. Okay. Thank you.